Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow internet or internet connection slow in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on flight mode. Now, flight mode will be on from your phone. Wait few minutes. After wait few minutes, turn off flight mode. Now go from the home screen. Second method, again swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon, and here you will see reset option. Click on reset option. Now again go from to the home screen, go to the setting, scroll down, click on connections, click on mobile networks, scroll down, click on network mode, click on 5G preferred. This is three method to fix internet or internet slow from your phone. This is how you can fix slow internet or slow internet connection in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.